Everyone, welcome to our lecture series on various important topics for masters and bachelor students, especially for political science. Today we are going to discuss a very important book in brief. The name of the book is A Comparison Between Women and Men by Tarabai Shinde. Before we start the video, let us look at who Tarabai Shinde actually was. So, Tarabai Shinde was a female right activist from Buldhana district of Maharashtra of the late 19th century. Her time period spans from 1850 to 1910, and the book she wrote was in Marathi and it was titled Stri Purush Tulna. It was translated into English as A Comparison Between Women and Men by Rosalind O. Hanlon. We have referred to the same translation for our video. So let us look at what are the major arguments which Tarabai Shinde puts in her book Stri Purush Tulna. This becomes very relevant for Dalit Bahujan thought as a paper and also for other ideas on feminist thinking. So the first point which Tarabai Shinde talks about is women are compelled to obey their husbands as God irrespective of their conduct, that is the conduct of their husbands. तो वो कहती हैं कि उनके समय में हमेशा स्त्रियों का यही दशा रही है कि उन्हें हमेशा अपने पति देव को देव मानकर उनकी हर एक आज्ञा का पालन करना होता था. इससे irrespective of the fact that what kind of a man her husband was. So she gives the example of Draupadi, Kunti and Mandodari, how these women were blamed by the society or the women or the समाज of that period कि कैसे ये लोग इन्होंने हमेशा कुछ गलत किया है या इन्हीं की वजह से गलत हुआ है. जैसे द्रौपदी की वजह से महाभारत हुआ, कुंती के ऊपर हमेशा लांछन लगाया गया कर्ण के बारे में, और मंदोदरी ने हमेशा रावण का साथ दिया जबकि उन्हें उन्हें उनका विरोध करना चाहिए था. और उन्होंने यहाँ तक उन्होंने सीता जी के पास जाकर प्रस्ताव भी रखा कि वे रावण के साथ विवाह कर ले. तो ये सब ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर टॉक्ड अबाउट बाय Tarabai Shinde in her work. Secondly, she says that there has to be a importance of men-women unity. She feels that if men and women come together of equal rights, they can do a lot of things together of great importance. Thirdly, she says that women of her time are restricted to home as per Shastras by men, and this is very true even today. Fourthly, she also says that widowhood of her time was a curse, and she says that अगर विधवापन में जो जो स्त्रियां विधवा होती हैं उन्हें हमेशा एक दायरे में रखा जाता है, उन्हें बहुत सारे नियमों का पालन करना होता है. तो ये सब नियम पुरुषों के ऊपर क्यों लागू नहीं होता है? जब किसी पुरुष की पत्नी गुजर जाती है तो वो क्यों दायरे में नहीं रहते हैं, वो पुनः विवाह क्यों कर लेते हैं? This was her major concern, that why only women have to remain in foundations. Why not men? Why should or not men practice restraint? She gives the simple example of a story of an old man and a young wife. She says that in her time, old men are married off to young wives or young girls, and when the old man dies, the young girl becomes a widow, and then she has nothing else to do in her whole life. Moving forward, she says that there are no major differences between Indians and Europeans. She says that gradually the dress, dishes, all of them are having similarities. She also praises the British regarding the education and the train system of that time. Next point she says is she promotes widow remarriage, highlighting the struggles of women, and she says that there is a need for kindness for women. She says that widow remarriage is very important because the widows are very young girls. They are being married off to old men, and there is no fault of women in that. Now she also showcases some major conclusions in her book after all of these arguments. The first conclusion is women have no power over men. This is a very simple argument put forward by her, which is relevant today also. Secondly, men are more whimsical than women. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मैन की जो इच्छाएं हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा है वुमेन से, ऐसा उन्हें लगता था कि जो पुरुष है वो अपनी इच्छाओं के ऊपर काबू नहीं कर पाते हैं महिलाओं की तुलना में। थर्डली शी सेज दैट मेन आर मोर थॉटलेस, मतलब जो पुरुष है वो ज़्यादा सोच विचार नहीं करते हैं। लेफ्ट टू हर सेल्फ वुमेन कैन नेवर टर्न टू अडल्ट्री। There is a correction here that left to herself woman can never turn to adultery, or she is saying that women can never turn to adultery, that women will not turn to adultery if men would have been more thoughtful and if she would not have been left alone. That means a woman is pure in herself. Fourthly, when women go wrong, it is because of men marrying off young girls to old men for money. This practice has itself being very thoughtless, and because of this, but so she puts the blame on men for the wrong acts of women if they even do it. She says that if men can have second wives, why cannot women have second husbands? She is basically talking about widow remarriage. Fifthly, she concludes that men are full of deceit. हमेशा जो पुरुष होते हैं वो धोखेबाज होते हैं उनके हिसाब से। वो बाबाओं का एग्जाम्पल देते हैं कि कैसे उनके ज़माने में बहुत सारे बाबा हुआ करते थे जो धोखा देते थे। तो उनके हिसाब से जो पुरुष हैं ये ज़्यादा डिसीटफुल हैं। वो बोलते हैं, वो उन्होंने कहा है कि उन्होंने ब्लेम हमेशा महिलाओं के ऊपर डाला है, सीता के ऊपर डाला कि वे ज़्यादा केयरलेस थी, ना कि रावण के ऊपर। उन्होंने रावण की बुराइयाँ को छुपाने के लिए सीता की अच्छाई के ऊपर कलंक लगाया, जो कि ताराबाई शिंदे जी को गलत लगता था। नेक्स्ट शी सेज दैट विकेडनेस या बुराई या क्रूरता ये हमेशा पुरुषों से शुरू हुई है। उन्होंने हमेशा अपने धर्म को छोड़ दिया है। दे हैव ऑलवेज अबेंडन्ड देयर धर्म। शी क्रिटिक्स various dramas of her kind, like dramas like Manju Ghosh, Muktamala, Stri Charita. She says that all of these dramas of her time are bent towards men. वो पुरुष प्रधान समाज के लिए बनाए गए हैं और हमेशा इसमें महिलाओं को नीचे दिखाया गया। वो ये भी कहती है कि स्त्री चरिता में लिखा हुआ है कि वुमेन आर डिस्ट्रॉयर्स ऑफ पाथ टू हेवन। तो वो बोलती है कि यदि कोई पुरुष अपनी माता, बहन या पत्नी को ऐसा सोचता है तो वो गलत है। जो स्त्री होती है वो हमेशा स्वर्ग के द्वार की राह पे होती है, वो राह पे दिलाती है, ना कि राह को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करती है। तो उन्होंने आखिरी में ये कहा है कि मैन शुड बाइंड देयर माइंड एंड बिहेव विद गुडनेस। तो वो ये कहती हैं कि यदि पुरुष अच्छे से बिहेव करेंगे, बर्ताव करेंगे, समान अधिकार देंगे महिलाओं को, तो ना केवल महिलाओं का उत्थान होगा बल्कि पुरुष भी आगे बढ़ेंगे और इससे सारा समाज आगे बढ़ेगा। सो इन शॉर्ट, ताराबाई शिंदे इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रमोटर ऑफ विडो remarriage and equal rights for men and women, and in a funny way she tries to critique all the wrong going on in her time regarding the marrying off of young girls to old men and how then they have to suffer in the future. So this is all regarding the very brief summary of Stri Purush Tulna, or a comparison of women and men by Tarabai Shinde. Please comment the topics on which you would like more videos or such videos. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.